Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your personal details onto your Klarna account. So let's get started right away. If you have just created your Klarna account or logged into it, then you will notice that your new account has no information about you. Even if you have signed up using Google, there will be no personal details about you within your account. So if you wish to add this, click on the More option at the bottom right corner and then go into Account Info and Address. Here you can find your phone number and your email address, and underneath within your identity, you can add your legal name. Tap on the Add button and then enter both your first and your last name as it appears on your ID. Then click on Confirm, and now your legal name has been added. Your first name will be set as your display name, so if you wish to change this, you can simply tap on Display Name, and now you can enter your desired name right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your personal info or your account name on the Klarna application. You can also tap on your profile picture and then either take a photograph or choose one from your gallery to set your desired profile image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your personal information onto your account on the Klarna application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.